Hello everyone. Welcome to our SimThub coding class. Today we shall be talking about lists in different ways together with if and for condition and loop. Get ready to enjoy it. I remain Tolulope Joseph.
Well, good morning. Welcome to SMT coding class. Today is another day, so we're going to be talking about lists, which has to do with the continuation of the first class. We all know what a list is or are. So lists are sequence that you can easily change, call them mutable. So they can easily be changed, they can be deleted. The list element can be deleted, can be changed. So in the last class we talked about how you can use certain function with list, but today we are going to be talking about one or two programs you can do with the list. So the first one, which has to do with our behavioral objective, will be how to use lists to determine the months in a year. So this particular program we ask user to enter a numerical value for a month and displays the name of the month in text form. So for instance, if the user enter 1, the program will display the output as January. So if the user enters 2, the program will display February, and so on. So come down to just open your Python, although I'm using PyCharm because of the access to the interpreter. So I have my variable here, which I called months, and already I have all the name of the months in the year has been assigned to this particular list using a square brackets. So what I did here is to print to talk about this particular program. So this program is telling me that it's used to determine the months you have entered using index of those months, starting from 0 to 11. Now if I'm to continue with this, I have to make one variable. Let me call it n. And this variable, I'm going to tell the user what it's going to do with this particular variable. So what I'm telling the user here is to enter 1 or okay 1 to start the program, or 0 to exit it. So it has this option. I want to use a while loop if I want it to make it continue. So whenever the while is true, this is for continuous loop. So as long as the while is as long as the n is continuing, the program will keep what coming up. So I want to let the user to input any month you want to what check, and the number is going to input will be between 1 and 12. So enter your index number between 1 and 12 while the program display the name to you. So in that particular case, so I need to say if, putting conditional, if 1 is less than or equals to n, and n is less than or equals to 12, then print the month is, so I need to put the comma, and to put the months, then the list should be between n minus 1. So why am I using n minus 1? It's because, so this indicates the month with, the month using the index starting from 0. Else, because the user might decide to print not number between these. Say the number is outside the range of expected number. So that's all. It's as simple as that. Then if I want to close this, so I can tell the user press enter key to exit the program. Now if I want this, so it's telling it's telling the user to enter 1 or 0. So to start or to exit the program. So if I enter 0, the program is what's telling me enter. So it's telling me to enter the enter key, press enter key to exit the program. So if I do this, so the program is stopped. But this program is used to determine the month you have entered using the index of this month, starting from 0 to what. So if I press 1 now, so it will tell me enter the index number between 1 and this. So if I press 1, January, so 1 is January. So if I press 2, 2 is February. So if I press 6, 6 is June. If I press 9, 9 is September. If I press 11, so 11 is November. So if I press 12, 12 is what, December. So if I press 0, tell me the number is outside the range of expected number. So press enter key to exit. So if I press enter key, so the program is stopped. So this is the first thing you can do with list using index of those elements in the list. I hope you enjoy it. So if you do so, I want you to subscribe and get more video from SMC coding class. Thank you for listening and bye for now.